In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Hostinger email. Whether you're new to using Hostinger's email services or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process with clear instructions and some helpful tips along the way. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once it's open, head over to the address bar located at the top of the window. This is where you'll type in the web address you need. Now, type mail.hostinger.com into the address bar and hit enter. Doing this will take you directly to the Hostinger email login page, the gateway to accessing your inbox. When the login page loads, you'll notice there are fields for your email address and password. It's crucial at this point that you enter your full email address. This means including the part before and after the @ symbol. For example, if your domain is yourdomain.com and your chosen name is name, you'll enter something like name@yourdomain.com. Be careful here to double-check that you've typed everything correctly. Any small mistake in your email address might prevent you from logging in, so it's worth the extra moment to ensure accuracy. Next, you'll need to enter your password in the corresponding field. Make sure the caps lock key is off to avoid any issues with capitalization unless your password requires it. It's also a good habit to ensure you're not entering your password in front of others to keep it secure. If you're unsure about your password, consider checking if you have it saved securely in a password manager. A password manager can help you store and retrieve your login credentials safely without the need to remember all of them by heart. Once you have entered both your email address and password correctly, it's time to click the Login button. This button is generally located below the fields where you entered your credentials. After you click it, your browser will begin the process of logging you in, which might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Soon after, you should gain access to your inbox, where all your emails will be waiting for you. From here, you can compose new emails, reply to messages, and manage your inbox just as you would with any other email service. And that's it. You have now successfully accessed your Hostinger email. Remember, you can bookmark this page once you're logged in, making it even quicker to access next time. If you encounter any issues during this process, verify your email address and password to ensure they are correct. Thanks for joining, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate your way to your Hostinger email account effortlessly.